Hi everyone, good evening. As part of the today's lecture, we are going to discuss about two Java programs. Both are related to reversing of a given string. So assume that I have a given string now. So it should print A and then UM. This is going to be the reversal of the given string. So whatever the string you have a given, your program need to do a reversal operation of the given string and it should print that string to the console. And for this, there are two different logics. One is you can use a Java default methods, and without using a Java default methods, how exactly we can achieve this particular logic. So these are the two programs that we need to discuss. For this, so what I have done is I have created a new Java program. And in this new Java program, I have created a main method too. So string input string is equal to Surendra. This is what the input string is, and my output should be the reversal of the given string. And in this situation, I want to go with the Java default methods. So whatever the Java default methods are there, I just want to use the Java default methods. To perform this particular activity, I'm using a string builder concept in Java. String builder S1 is equal to new string builder. And for this string builder, I'm just giving this input string. Okay, and then S1 dot reverse. So what it will happen, whatever the S1 content is there, it will perform the reversal operation. In an S1, we have an input string and it is part of a string builder basically. So this is gonna reverse that particular string builder content. But I wanna use it as a string. So S1 dot, I need to convert it into a toString and directly let me print this information. So now let me try to run the test script and see what exactly it is printing down to the console. Of course, the reversal of the given string got printed. And as of now, I kept this whole logic inside a main method. So what I'm doing means I'm cutting these a few lines of a code and within the class itself, public static string and reversal. Okay, reversal. And here, in order to work on it, I just need to give this input string as an argument to this particular method. For this method, you are giving an input string and the reversal would be a return from this particular method. So here, return. So using the string builder, okay, we are performing a reverse operation. S1 dot a reverse. Inside the S1 string builder, we are giving the input string. And after that, we are converting the string builder instance into a toString and we are directly returning it. So here, system.out.println output string is, so what is the content basically? The method is a reversal. And of course, for this reversal, you just need to pass on this input string. That's it. Of course, you can give any name for that. And let me try to run my program. And the script got executed. This is what the reversal content is. And a quick question that comes in your mind, Surendra, why you have created a separate method? The reason is if we have this method in place, we are gonna reuse this method in our upcoming sessions. That's the reason I have created it as a method. Perfect. This is all about the first code, which is performing a string reversal operation with a Java default methods. And the next one is you need to perform a reversal operation without using a Java default method. Okay, how can I achieve this particular logic? Let us analyze this one so that we can easily perform this particular logic. So, as per my understanding, the reversal of a string means whatever the last character from the given string is there, it should be the first character, right? and whatever the first character in the given string is there, it should be the last character. And of course, this sequence it should follow. The last but one character, it should move to the second character. And from the last third character, it should move from the starting to the third character. Like this iteration should perform. When I was analyzing this logic, I felt that I can use a for loop where in which from the given string I can use a char at method to get the individual characters from the string and try to get the characters from the last. That's it. So if at all you are getting the characters from the last and if you are creating in a new string, that's it. The entire requirement got fulfilled. So what I am going to do right now means let me create a new Java program here. String reversal 2. I have created another Java program here and let me maximize this string and string input string is equal to Surendra. I have given this. And as I told you that we need to use a for loop int and this time this for loop should start from the ending character of the string. So input string dot length minus 1. So I just want to start it from the last character in the given string and till when it needs to execute till the I value is greater than 0 as we are coming from the last every time decrement the I value and here input string dot caret is a method. I'm getting this character. Of course, I'm storing this character in a C variable now. So here, individual characters you need to add and you need to create a new string. So here, what I'm going to do right now means string output string. Okay, I just created a new string which is an output string. So here, output string is equal to output string plus whatever the character that you have in a C, if you can add it, that's more than enough. So here, character dot to string. Whatever the character is there, I'm converting into a string and I'm adding to this particular string. And of course, the initial value is an empty value that I am defining. At the very first time, whenever the for loop got executed, the last character is a. To the output string, there is nothing here. A will be appended first. So the output string contains a, and when the second time the loop got executed, r will be retrieved. As we already have a in that, to the a, r will be appended. The whole cycle will rotate. And once after we are done with the for loop, system.out.println output string. I'm just printing this output string. Let me try to run this script and see how this is going to work. That's it. This is the way how exactly it's printing down that information. Okay. This is the way how exactly it's printing down the information. So I have a given Surendra and if you can see the value that it got printed, S is missing. So here I greater than or equal to 0 and let me try to run this script now. Of course, the complete Surendra got a retrieved and it got a printed to the console. This is the way how exactly we can use a string reversal using a default method and without using a default method, guys. Thank you.